What's up, guys? This is Tampatec, and this is my stepson Justin.
What's up?
He's 21 and he loves hockey, so I got him a hockey table for Christmas. But the only problem is there's no electronics. There's nothing cool, like electronic-wise, with this hockey table. This design's been around since the 1930s, so we're gonna make it modern, and we're gonna add some electronics, some custom sound effects to this old-fashioned hockey table. So let's go ahead and get started.
All right.
So I'm going to leave a link where to get this kit. You'll see that in the video description below. It includes a scoreboard, controls, a battery pack, and the speaker is installed into the control box. And everything is plug and play, which is really great. We're going to have it like that, right? Is that looking?
Yeah.
First we have to clean it. So I'm going to spray some rubbing alcohol right here. And then wipe this all down on the side like that. Just clean the surface. All right, fingers. Put your fingertips there and then go ahead and wipe it and make sure it's wet. What does it smell like?
Clean, squeaky clean.
All right, next we're going to use double-sided tape.
Next up.
And put the double-sided tape here all the way down to here. Got it?
Really?
Yeah. You start it off here, okay?
Alright.
Hold it.
And
then, yep, I gotta cut it. Line it up to right there.
Yeah.
And then press. Go ahead and press it evenly. I mean, it feels pretty strong. Actually, it is really strong.
I didn't mean to block the camera.
It's alright. So I'm going to use a wire holder. These are just clips, cable holder clips with double-sided tape. Now we have to mount this one. Unplug this. This is for the optics for the goals. This is the power for the battery pack. Alright, lift it up and then put this on this side. And then we're gonna have to put this right here. Hold it like that. Hold it steady.
Careful.
There we go. There we go. And next we have to mount this, Justin. Right here. Put an L bracket under here. So turn it. They probably use double-sided tape for there and there because I don't want to mess with it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't want to put any holes in the cabinet. You want to clean the surface because the double-sided tape will stick better. And let's go ahead and put some double-sided tape on here. There we go. And then now I can use it. Try to reuse this tape. All right, let's go ahead and set it down. Feel it. It feels pretty solid. Should we put a couple of screws here or no? I don't want to put any holes, but I don't want it to fall at the same time. Is it okay if I put some screws here?
No.
Yes or no?
No. I don't want you making any holes.
It feels okay, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's turn it on its side. Like this.
Careful.
Hold it. Alright, does it feel sturdy?
Hmm?
Does it feel kind of sturdy? Let's go ahead and put one of these stickers on. Go ahead and put that on, Justin. Just stick it on right there.
Here?
Right here.
How about now?
Yeah, that's fine. Give me a zip tie.
Which one?
Green one. Pull it out. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and...
Come on.
ahead and pull on that.
Yep.
Good. Okay. Let's go ahead and cut it.
Cut it.
That feels good. Next, what do we install? The battery next?
Yeah.
All right, Justin. So you're gonna take the hot glue. I want you to come over here, and you're gonna hot glue right in this corner. Squeeze it right in there, in that crease, like that. Squeeze it. Stop. That should be okay, Justin. It should hold. All right, Justin. Now we're gonna hot glue this right here. Go ahead and add some hot glue right here. And hot glue on here, on the back. Right here, just go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead and put that down here. All right, go ahead and plug that in, Justin.
Sure.
Right there.
Hold it.
That's for scoring. All right, and then go ahead and place that in the clip.
Fine.
There you go. Good job. Now, let's go ahead and we're going to try to mount this in here. We're going to have to put it this way.
Really?
The wires are thin, so it shouldn't bubble on the playfield. Alright, I set it back down. And now I'm going to have to mount this. Now where's the puck? Let's see, it's gonna fit in. Oh, that works. That should be okay. Like that. And then we're gonna run this other wire right here. And we're gonna run this, and we're gonna do the same thing. Okay?
Yeah.
So the sensors are installed. Alright, so we got one optic sensor on this side and the other optic sensor on this side. We got some rubber feet right here. Minute game?
3 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go ahead and hit play. Whoever wins the championship. Ah! I should have centered my goalie. Good job. Now, when you score and it triggers the goal, then you pause the game so it doesn't trigger another fake false goal. Alright, and then now we're going to hit the eject button and it's going to kick it out. But you have to hit it extra hard because I have the rubber band on it. But the reason why I have the rubber band on it is because it was hanging loose between the sensor, causing false goals.
Yeah.
So the rubber band brings it back, so the sensor stays clear. Scores 1-0. Ah, man! Yeah! You gotta center your goalie.
10 seconds left.
Oh no, I'm gonna lose. Oh, I spun the wrong rod. Justin is the champion of rod hockey. How do you like this thing?
Yeah.
Hey, how do you like the mods?
Yeah.
Does the mods make it less fun or more fun?
Less fun. More fun.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you loved this video. Thank you so much. And thank you, do thumbs up. And I love this. And you can check out videos all you want. All the time.
Mm-hmm.
And peace.
Good job, Justin.